It was shocking to learn a while back that Ducati had been working on a prototype for the previous 2 years, with plans to unveil the bike in the Italian Motocross Championship the following season. The effort, which has been ongoing for a number of years, to create an entirely new Ducati motorcycle brand will complete the range of off-road racing machines that the company produces and will eventually become a part of the Ducati family, a brand that is closely linked to motorsport. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. If not as a surprise outside the show, Ducati is anticipated to unveil its new motocross motorcycle at a future episode of the world premiere. This information was included with the dropper, but as of right now, it is undeniable. In fact, Tony Cairoli, the world champion, was publicly announced as having been involved in the project just a day ago. With one of their digital works, graphic designers from all around the world have ignited fire in their pens. The graphic designer uses bright red to represent his own interpretation of the Ducati Motocross, while still allowing himself the essential artistic license to show the engine, frame, and scissors. Official reports state that the new Ducati Motocross engine will use the well-known Desmodromic valve movement system. Estimated displacement is 450 horsepower, specifically in the MX-1 class, with power ranging from 60 to 65 horsepower. It's unclear what accessories Ducati would utilize or what electronic systems or help it will provide. Remember that Ducati is a leader in this area, and they probably want to establish a good reputation for themselves right now. The teaser video shows that the motorcycle has an aluminum frame perimeter chassis with an engine that employs an electric dynamo for starting. This indicates that the clutch system on the motorcycle is hydraulic. Additionally, the clutch master cylinder is located on the left handlebar. Maybe the front and rear suspension systems are all Öhlins, and the factory brake system will be Brembo branded. Recall that this high-end brand is also used on the Triumph TF250X's unique engine. This would be an extremely powerful 450cc single-cylinder motocross vehicle with a 6-speed transmission and 4-valve Desmodromic system.